Hello everyone, my name is Mupange Adobelese and I'm with
Inezevete.
we built the Servilink app, which is a local marketplace which links service providers and service consumers here in Rwanda. Before building this app, we noticed that many people struggle to find reliable service providers such as plumbers, cleaners, photographers, and electricians. We found that most connections happen informally, which creates issues like unclear pricing, scams, or unsafe payments. Solvilink avoid all that by helping or allowing clients to browse through different service providers, book services, make mobile payments, and track job progress. Providers also benefit from this, from better visibility from the different clients across the country and safer payouts.
And our target users are everyday clients looking for trusted service providers and skilled workers who want more professional opportunities. And before coding, we focused on understanding the problem through conversations with students, workers, and local service providers. And the main pain points we identified were lack of trust and informal payments with no proper job tracking. And we prioritized features using the Moscow method. Our must-have features included authentication, booking payments, and job tracking.
We also created wireframes and planned user flows before the development started. Thus, this division helped us work efficiently. I focused on the Flutter UI and the navigation.
And I handled the backend database and payment integration.
Hello everyone, this is Servilink application. We use Flutter and Dart to build it, and this is the home page of our Servilink application. And these are professional cards, and each profession can have multiple service providers. To request for a service as a customer has to log in first to be able to request for service. Let's go back to our home page so that we can log in. Let's sign up as a new client. Let's use a name Lilian and an email with hi Lilian at gmail with hi at gmail.com and the password 1234. Then sign up. This is because the profile of our new client Lilian. Pending transactions, completed transactions, and let's dispute. Let's request for a service to see the working flow of this service request. Before requesting a service, a client can review the profile of the service provider. This is the form to fill first before requesting a service. Select a service with its fixed price. I selected 2-bedroom home clean, which is 25k. A full name with hi Lilian, and the email address with hi@gmail.com. Then the contact 0788 923945, and the next is the service location. Let's write Gatsata. Then the request description. The request description can write, I want you to clean my apartment sparkling. No need for that. Now select a date on which you want the service to be delivered. Then submit request. They can pay with MTN Mobile Airtel Money. The API is not working. I didn't know how to connect the API on my computer to the Pixel tablet device emulator. After clicking the button of payment, a user is redirected to phone keyboard where she can pay using her mobile money. But for now we are testing. We are not going to pay. We can go back to our application to see how the operations flow. Yes, after paying, a user is informed that the payment is done and money saved in Exclude. The job status page is not working for now, but we intend to improve our Servilink application. So let's go back to our home page. Let us login again. Login again, or let us register for as new service provider. This is a form a new service provider has to fill. Business name, email address, password, phone number. Your customer can use his national ID or passport number, and the profession, a new profession. A new service provider can introduce a new profession or select from the existing categories. But let's first of all complete this task of filling the form. On contact, it's fill the national ID, but this is not a real national ID. It's just for testing. Yeah, it takes time to fill the forms. Let's change the business name to the Golden Fashion Store as our business name. Then let's, as I said before, we can select from existing professions or introduce a new profession. But let us introduce a new profession called dry cleaning. Yes, after this, we can click on the register and verify email. But the password is too short. Let's increase the size of our password to make sure that our registration is successful. Yes. Then verify email, register and verify email. Yes, after email verification, let's log in as a new provider, manzivet@gmail.com. Then the password. Yes, then the password. Yes, after the password, let's log in. After login, you can see dashboard, provider dashboard, but the new profession card is not yet available on our home because the admin has first to authenticate that new business before it is available on the homepage where the Servilink clients can view it or visit it and see the dashboard of the provider contains requests, disputes, and payouts. Yes, platform commission, pay your monthly 10% commission to that Momo MTN Servilink Limited. Balance in escrow. Earnings are released by admin once the client confirms the job is delivered. Then log out. Let us now log in as the Servilink admin. Our email is angeevent@gmail.com. We have used it as default in our codes. Yeah, so that the admin have now to sign up. And this is the control panel, admin control panel, where the new professions or pending verification of professions can happen. Yes, Golden Fashion Store also authenticated the transactions. The pending transaction in EcoWash is the one we have requested as we to hire. Yes. Then the disputes, there's no disputes reported. The new registration request, provider Mutonjo 2 hours ago, successful payout, 25 released to Kigali Express. Yes. Let's now go to home. After authentication and approving new business, dry cleaning, you can see it on our web page with Golden Fashion Store as the provider. Yes, you can see the form and the profile of our profession. You can request a service from there, but there is no need for now to request a service. We were just looking how our application Servilink actually works, and then this suggestion is where this is a prototype we are still developing. It's not a final product, so it's where the stakeholder can add on suggestions and improvements to our Servilink application. Yes, and this is the admin dashboard from our menu bar. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time and attention. And as you can see, this is where a client can browse all providers available in Servilink, and that's the search engine where a client can browse a provider depending on the location where the service provider is found. For example, Nyarutarama, you can see after searching Nyarutarama there is a Kowash Rwanda, and you can search with the sort or emulating, but not emulating, use 4.5 plus rating. Yes, and low prices first. As you can see, from 4 to 5 price, yeah, you can see the available providers with 4.5 plus rating with low prices first. Thank you so much.
For the design and development decision, we chose Flutter because it allowed us to build our Android app using a single code base. For the back end, we use Node.js, Express, and Postgres to manage users' bookings and payments. For the UI, we kept the design simple and clean using consistent colors such as white and blue and the manual font. We also designed the role-based navigation so clients and providers see different actions depending whether they are a client or a provider. For the state management, we use block for complex flows like payments and provider for simpler session handling.
And what we what this project taught us is that we'll have learned how to build a complete mobile application with both front end and back end integration. We learned how important planning, teamwork, and communication are during development. And one challenge was handling API connections between the emulator and the backend server, especially during payment testing.
If we continue with the project, we will deploy the backend online, improve testing, integrate live payment webhooks. Most importantly, we learned how technology can help solve real local challenges. Thank you for watching. This was Servilink by